Hello and welcome to my video again. So today we'll be attempting a Madhubani art, a very small design. I'm using a black paper and a silver plastic crayon for the outline of the design. Give two lines so that we can put some designs over there. In this Madhubani tutorial, I will be sharing with you the idea of making a small bird. You can design the entire bird, the inside of it. You have to keep one thing in your mind, that uh, the Madhubani design is having a different kind of character. It doesn't have the wings of the bird which we see in the books. It doesn't look like the bird from the science book. It is a decorative bird where it is used to increase the beautification of an artwork. Madhubani is very famous in Mithila, Bihar, where the village folks who doesn't have any kind of formal training, they design their heart out. They don't know the grammar or science or mathematics of a design. They simply do it because they love to do it. So whenever they work, the love for the work, the beauty of the work can easily seen. Now the whole drawing is done. Now I'm using a golden color plastic crayon and filling up the triangle shapes. Here actually I'm showing you a very simplified version of a very complicated method. You can have the taste of Madhubani here. At first it will be very difficult for you to keep up the patience, but slow and steady wins the race. So have patience and keep practicing. You can just download some of the Madhubani drawings or artwork and can try to replicate it in your sketchbook, in your drawing copy, in your home. It will give you an idea how in this mesmerizing Madhubani can be done. Here I'm using varied colors, and in fact Madhubani restricts itself into black chiefly, red, yellow, blue and green, and most of the colors are vegetable colors, not chemical at all. So as we are using paper and it is not possible, so we are using a different path. The basic idea is to design the entire bird and along with the foliages and design elements. Keep one thing in your mind, that try not to uh, finish the design in the way uh, as if it is a mandala art. The character of the mandala art is very different from Madhubani. Madhubani will have two continuous line almost parallel, and inside it there will be lots and lots of lines. So I have just shared an idea uh, of a Madhubani in a very simplified manner, that how you can create a Madhubani kind of art uh, where you can find the essence of the Madhubani in a very simplified lines. Yeah, and I'm using this red. You have to give bit pressure onto the pencil, that color pencil, because the paper is black, so it tends the black color tends to absorb the brightness of the other color. So you have to give little bit of pressure onto the pencil. Oil pastel can work better here, but it is very messy, so I'm using a plastic run. You can try the same thing on white paper, but with black lines. I'm using the black paper and white lines. You have to use white paper and black lines over it. They can keep the color same. The design is actually very intricate, and very less of a negative space is left. Usually it's all about filling up the space, but to increase the beautification of it. Thank you for watching.